Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Microsoft Mover. It's a SaaS application. It helps move the data from other cloud locations to Microsoft Cloud. And it has some of the features. We are going to see the demo and look at some of the features. And one more thing, this tool is free. We are going to review the system capabilities, and it can able to connect other cloud applications. For example, Amazon S3 or Google Cloud, and some of them it's listed here. The list is definitely keep growing, and the destination is obviously it's a Microsoft Cloud, and then it can able to connect different applications. For example, blob storage or team sites, SharePoint, or a OneDrive. You can connect the tool using a Microsoft account or old Mover account. It has a very simple process, or I can say simple steps. You just connect the source and connect the destination and start copy. For our demo today, we are going to copy the data from Amazon S3 to Azure Blob Storage. As I mentioned, this is a SaaS application. So let's open the browser and type the URL mover.io. We can able to connect either Microsoft account or old Mover account. So I'm going to connecting using a Microsoft account. So here's a home screen. Then for our, as I mentioned, for example, we are going to copy the data from Amazon S3 bucket to Azure Blob. So let's review the source. Let's open the browser and then open Amazon S3. Just sign into that console. Okay. And so this is the Amazon console. Go to the services and under the storage, click on S3. Here I have created a bucket name called customer document in 3. Let's open that. So it has a 3 folders, folder 1, folder 2, and all are some of them are test files basically, and then folder 3. So to connect Amazon S3, so you need to copy the secret key and ID and secret key. So if you go to my security credentials, you can get those IDs. So now let's open our blob area. So I have an account called learn to eliminate, and then I'm going to take a look at the containers. So as of now, I don't have any container. So go to our mover tool. Then I'm going to connect the source and destinations. So click authorize new connector. As a source is Amazon S3. Authorize. Copy that the key ID where you copied from the Amazon, and then enter the access key, the secret access key. For a destination, I'm going to connect Azure Blob Storage. My account name is Learn to Illuminate. And then I have a secret key or account key. So once you connected source and destinations, and then you can see that start copy button enabled. So now when you copy that one from Amazon S3 bucket, which name customer document in 3, it's going to copy here. You can create a folder if you want. It's an optional one. So I'm going to create a folder inside, say just a customer. So, okay, so click on that one. So it means the data is going to copy from Amazon S3 bucket to inside that customer folder. So click start copy. So here are the summary window or summary screen. So here's a one new jobs, and then one of them is running. So previously it was scanning before transfer system scans the data. So now it's one, the current job is running. And then this is a total number of how many jobs is completed. So far it's 5 of them it's completed, one it's running now. And then this one it's good, how many bytes basically kilobytes basically it's already it's copied, and then one of them currently it's one of them it's basically it's running. So now it's completed. And now when previously it says unknown logo because previously I deleted the sources, that's why it says. But ideally we copied this is the one we copied just now to the customer folder. So before we see the log files, let's open our Azure Blob and then let's refresh it. So now it's copied here. So 3.1 now it's basically it's copied, and we open the customer account container, and then it's the same name, the bucket name, it's copied here, and then you can able to see that all the data here, 2 and the 3. Okay, let's review some of them, it's the features. So it says total files is 3, 3 and 2, total files 8 files it's copied. And when you click on this one, when you select that specific run, then you have some other options basically listed here. You can download the logs, you can select one or many jobs, and then you can download the logs, and then you can enter the notes. Basically for here I can say customer, basically what specifically I ran it, just I can say customer, and then we can tag it. Actually we can create some of the tags for a specific run, and we can schedule the jobs. Generally in a batch job you can schedule it, like here we have a hourly, daily, weekly and monthly. Specifically on a weekly also basically you can specify which day you want to copy, and then which time you can do that. It's very good options. And then when you go to the admin screen, so if you click on your wherever your login name is there, just click on the admin one. So few admin functionalities. For example, when you click on admin, so this one is you're adding a user as another user as admin, so they can be able to view the logs and then previous jobs and everything. And then the preferences, so it has a preferences only one, it's a email preferences. When do you want to receive that email, whether on completion of job or only on a error or never. And then for a password, you can reset the password, and you can enable the two-step verification also. And another option is basically you can delete that account. Then here it says some of them, when you delete that account, it deletes that scheduled transfer authorization and then the old mover account, but it does not delete your transfer history and then some of the traces. And then the last functionality, it's log out. Basically, it's logs out, and then you can log in back. So if you take up the menu, it's a transfer wizard, basically where you are copying that one, and then the migration manager, basically your summary screen, and then you have a admin functionality. That's a three of them. It's a main one. That's for today. Thanks for watching with me. Write your comments down below. Have a great day.